Hello everybody, it's Andrew, your chef and nutritionist, and welcome back to Spirited Food. You know, as a health coach, one of the things I do is get to work one-on-one with individuals and with small groups to improve their health through the food that they eat. And one of the ways we do that is we look at the meal plan, what exactly they're eating, we look at blood glucose levels, we look at types of carbohydrates consumed, and then we strategize about how to elevate all that food to make sure that we have higher quality intake of all of those things and also balance it out with the proteins and fats per individual. So that's where the coaching really comes in handy, is getting that personalized nutrition, also very practical, to take that and give someone something that they can use right away. I really specialize in that, making sure that everything that I teach is practical. It's not some esoteric, well, if you ate spinach with every meal for 3 months, then no one's going to do that. We have to be practical and make it something that you can do right away. So everything I teach that's practical is going to be taught in my new class, this improving insulin resistance, weight loss, and diabetes with food therapy. I'm going to be talking exactly about what it is that I do. I have a new coaching program that's 15 weeks long, and I'm going to be giving away the entire first week of content for free in this class. And also, some lucky participants are going to get food coaching from me at the end of the class, so you can see what that looks like, and maybe you'll be one of the lucky individuals. There is homework associated with this class, so please bring at least 1 week's worth of a food journal so that we can look at that and dive into that. The class is Tuesday, September 30th. It's going to be 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You can see the Eventbrite event page right there. And the link to this class will be in the description, along with a link to join our community, which is free. And there's lots of recipe videos, there's lots of nutrition videos, there's lots of content on there, and I welcome you to join. Please come be part of our community. Also, with this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us to reach people and help them with their health. And if you know of anyone who might benefit from this type of content, then please pass it along. I appreciate that. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you at the new class. It's going to be really awesome. Thanks.